Good morning, Smart Cookies. Let's start this morning by doing a word problem together. There are 10 swings on the playground and 7 students are using the swings. How many swings are empty? So to solve this problem, I drew 10 swings. And then I also crossed out 7 swings because each of those 7 has a student on it. The swing sets that are not crossed out, I'm going to count those. There's 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3, correct? Well, 3 is the correct number, but it's not the correct complete answer. I want to answer the question, and the question says, how many swings are empty? So, to have a complete sentence, I'm going to write 3 swings are empty. Now let's talk about the difference between an expression and an equation. 5 plus 3 is just an expression, and 5 plus 3 equals 8 is an equation because it contains an equal sign. 5 plus 3 are the addends and 8 is the sum. That's an equation. But 5 plus 3, the expression, are just the two addends. So let's talk about equivalent expressions. Equivalent means that they are equal to each other. And two expressions that are equal to each other, who have the same sum, are equivalent expressions. Can you think of an equivalent expression? I'm going to try to come up with one. The equivalent expression I came up with is 6 plus 6 is equal to 8 plus 4. Let's see. 6 plus 6 is 12, and 8 plus 4 is 12. Therefore, this is a true math sentence. 12 is equal to 12, and that is true. Now on this worksheet, we're going to be writing expressions that match the groups on each plate. For example, in the box up here, there are 2 apples and 3 oranges. So they wrote 2 plus 3, and then the plate next to that has 1 apple and 4 oranges. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 1 plus 4 equals 5. So then they put an equal sign to show that that is an equivalent expression. For problem 5, we are just going to write an expression to match each domino. So for example, the domino way up here has 2 dots on the left side and 5 dots on the right side. We are going to write the expression 2 plus 5. Remember, it doesn't ask you to write an equation. So we're not going to write 2 plus 5 equals 7. That's an equation. We're just going to write an expression to show what each domino is showing. In problem 6, we're going to continue to write expressions. Then, for problem 6G, we're going to find 2 expressions that are equal. And then we're going to write them down here. So it should say something plus something is equal to something plus something else. Okay, that's how you're going to solve 6. For number 1, we're going to match the dominoes that are equal, and then we're going to write a number sentence that's true. So for example, at the top over here, you see that they wrote 4 plus 4 because the first domino had 4 dots, one on top, well, 4 on top and 4 on the bottom. And then the second domino had 5 on top and 3 on the bottom. And that is an equivalent expression. So that's why they put an equal sign between the two expressions. 4 plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 3. Now you're going to find dominoes that are equivalent. And then you're going to write a true number sentence, just like the one they wrote over here. Finally, you're going to find two expressions that are equivalent. So I see 5 and 2, and I know that that expression is equal to the expression 4 plus 3. So over here I'm going to write 5 plus 2. I'm going to put an equal sign here, and I'm going to write the other expression 4 plus 3 to show that 5 plus 2 and 4 plus 3 are equivalent equations. I'm sorry, 5 plus 2 and 4 plus 3 are equivalent expressions. Okay, friends, have fun. See you later.